Welcome student, myself Manoj Dhariwal for your physics teacher. Today we explain combination of error. The part of combination is power of quantity of error. So, okay, now we start. Okay, power in the power of a quantity in the form of error. Consider y is equal to a power n. Equation first. After measurement, y dash is equal to a power n dash. Equation second. In case of error, the error for y dash is equal to y plus minus delta y. And in case of a power n dash is equal to a plus minus delta a power n. Putting the value y dash and a power n dash from equation second. After putting y plus minus y delta y is equal to a plus minus delta a upon n. Multiply and divided a power n in LHS, in RHS. Y is equal to plus minus delta y is equal to a power n common 1 plus minus delta a upon a power n. So, y plus minus delta y is equal to y 1 plus minus delta a upon a power n. Apply the rules 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. After this rule, y plus minus y is equal to y 1 plus minus n into delta a upon a. Divide on LHS side y plus minus delta y upon y is equal to 1 plus minus n into delta a upon a. So, plus minus delta y upon y is equal to plus minus n delta a upon a. For the maximum fraction error, all sign are positive, so delta y upon y is equal to n delta a upon n. In case of percentage error, delta y upon y into 100 is equal to n delta a upon a into 100. Thank you.